Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to compress photo size in your mobile or laptop anywhere. So let's begin our video. The process is very easy and simple. First of all, you just need to open your browser and go to search bar and type compress image. And here you can see there have a link at the first. Just open this link and select image and select your photo and select open. Right now here you can see this photo already open. Right now select compress images, and here you can see this photo size already reduced to 76 to 134 gigabyte, and this photo already automatically downloaded to your phone gallery or PC gallery. So that's it guys, I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.